still doing crunches and skipping meals to lose belly fat, you're not just wasting time, you might be making it worse. Because belly fat isn't about how much you eat. It's about when, why, and how your body stores fat in the first place. And if you're training hard, eating clean, but still stuck, you're not lazy. You're not broken. You're just burning it wrong. And today, you'll learn how to fix it. In this video, you'll discover why belly fat is hormonally different than other fat on your body, the real link between stress, sleep, and stubborn fat storage, why cardio alone won't fix it, and what science now recommends instead. Plus, a belly fat burning strategy you can start tonight without starving or overtraining. Whether you want to look better, feel lighter, or just stop spinning your wheels, this is the metabolic truth you've been missing. Before we dive in, quick question. Have you ever lost weight, but your belly barely changed? Drop a comment, yes, if this ever happened to you, because by the end of this video, you'll understand exactly why it happens. And don't skip the final section. That's where I'll reveal a scientifically proven, belly fat specific method that has helped people drop inches without adding a single rep to their workout. It's simple. It's backed by 2025 research, and no one talks about it. Why belly fat is different, and why it's harder to burn. Here's what most people don't realize. Belly fat isn't just fat. It's a completely different type of fat, hormonally, metabolically, and biologically. You see, the fat around your belly, also called visceral fat, is not like the fat on your arms or legs. It's deeper, more stubborn, and far more dangerous. So what makes belly fat so different? 1. Its hormonally active belly fat isn't just sitting there. It actively secretes hormones and inflammatory chemicals like cortisol, TNF-alpha, and IL-6. These increase inflammation, disrupt insulin sensitivity, and make fat loss even harder. In short, the more belly fat you have, the harder it becomes to burn. It's a vicious hormonal loop. 2. It's linked to your stress response. Ever heard of stress belly? That's not a myth. When your body is under chronic stress, it produces more cortisol, the primary stress hormone. And guess where your body stores excess cortisol-fueled fat? Your midsection. That's why even people who eat clean and train hard struggle to lose their belly when their stress is high or sleep is poor. 3. It surrounds your vital organs. Unlike subcutaneous fat, the soft stuff under your skin, visceral belly fat wraps around your liver, pancreas, and intestines. And that's what makes it a major health risk. Linked to heart disease, type 2 diabetes, insulin resistance, hormonal imbalances, cognitive decline. This isn't just about aesthetics. This is about longevity. So the next time someone tells you, just eat less and move more, remember, that advice might work for general fat loss, but not for belly fat. That requires a different approach. So let's go deeper and expose the most common belly fat mistakes people still make in 2025, including one that's been glorified by influencers, but might be silently sabotaging your results. The biggest belly fat mistakes people still make in 2025. You're eating clean, you're training hard, but the belly? Still there. That's because most people, even in 2025, are still following advice that sounds right, but is scientifically wrong. Let's break down the most common belly fat mistakes that are keeping you stuck. Mistake 1. Doing more crunches equals more fat burn. This is the oldest myth in the book. Spot reduction doesn't work. You can't target fat loss in a specific area by training that muscle. Crunches strengthen your abs, but they don't burn the fat covering them. In fact, overtraining your core without fixing your hormones or metabolism just leads to frustration and sore hip flexors. What works instead? Full body strength training, plus metabolic conditioning, plus lifestyle control. We'll get to that soon. Mistake 2. Skipping meals to starve the fat. Too many people think that eating less equals faster results, but for belly fat, that strategy often backfires. Extreme calorie restriction increases cortisol and slows your metabolism, which means your body holds on to fat, especially around the belly, because it thinks it's under threat. The fix? Fuel your body smartly with high-protein, anti-inflammatory foods spread across stable meal timing to reduce stress and regulate insulin. Mistake 3. Doing only cardio. Yes, cardio burns calories, but it doesn't do much for your resting metabolic rate, the calories you burn while not exercising. Belly fat responds better to muscle-building exercises, which elevate metabolism and improve insulin sensitivity, a key factor in abdominal fat storage. You don't need to kill yourself on a treadmill. You need to build muscle and balance cortisol. Mistake 4. Ignoring sleep and stress. This might be the most underrated one. You could have the perfect diet and training plan, but if your sleep is trash and stress is sky high, belly fat stays. Why? Because poor sleep increases ghrelin, hunger hormone, lowers leptin, satiety hormone, and spikes cortisol, all of which lead to more belly fat. Solution? We'll break it down later. But for now, know this: better recovery equals better fat loss. Ready to learn what actually works? Let's move from mistakes to modern belly fat science and the protocols that actually reduce waist size in 2025. What actually works for belly fat? The 2025 protocol. Forget what you've heard on Instagram. In 2025, belly fat isn't treated with willpower. It's solved with smart strategy, grounded in biology, hormone science, and recovery. Let's break down what actually works. 1. Strength training, not just cardio. If your goal is to shrink your waist, you need to build muscle, especially in large, compound movements. Why? Because muscle is metabolically active. The more you have, the more fat you burn, even at rest. And yes, especially from the belly. Best movements: squats, deadlifts, rows, presses, pull-ups. Just 3 to 4 full-body strength sessions per week can dramatically increase your resting metabolic rate and reduce visceral fat over time. Number 2, Zone 2 cardio, the belly fat sweet spot. Not all cardio is created equal. Forget long, exhausting treadmill sessions or daily HIIT. Zone 2 cardio, the conversational pace where you can breathe comfortably, is proven to improve mitochondrial function and fat metabolism. It teaches your body to burn fat as fuel, exactly what you want when targeting stubborn belly areas. Do this 2 to 3 times a week for 30 to 45 minutes. Walking, light cycling, incline treadmill. It reduces stress and improves sleep quality too. 3. Circadian aligned eating. You've heard calories in versus out, but for belly fat, timing matters just as much. Studies show that eating earlier in the day and avoiding large meals at night improves insulin sensitivity, especially in the abdominal region. When you eat late, your body stores more as fat, especially visceral fat. Eat your biggest meals between 10 a.m. and 6 p.m. Fast 12 to 14 hours overnight, circadian fasting. Cut food 2 to 3 hours before sleep. 4. Improve sleep and lower cortisol. If there's one fat-burning pill that actually works, it's called 8 hours of good sleep. Here's what it does. Lowers cortisol, balances ghrelin, choose leptin, boosts growth hormone, improves insulin sensitivity, speeds up fat metabolism. Want to reduce belly fat? Fix your night routine just as seriously as your workouts. Wind down 60 minutes before bed. Use breathing, journaling, or light stretching. Keep your room cool, dark, and quiet. 5. Fuel with high-protein, anti-inflammatory foods. Belly fat loves inflammation, and the standard American diet, SAD, is full of it. What helps reverse that? Protein, fiber, micronutrients, and stable blood sugar. Prioritize lean protein, chicken, eggs, fish, legumes. Healthy fats, avocados, nuts, olive oil. Fiber-rich carbs, greens, berries, oats. Avoid refined sugar, seed oils, ultra-processed foods. Artificial sweeteners can spike insulin. Bottom line, you don't fight belly fat, you understand it, and work with your body to reverse it sustainably. In the next section, I'll give you a simple daily plan that puts all of this together, step by step, so you don't have to guess anymore. Your daily belly fat fix plan Simple, sustainable, science-backed. You've got the science. Now it's time to apply it. Because fat loss, especially belly fat, doesn't need to be complicated. It just needs to be consistent. Morning routine. Set your fat-burning clock. Wake up and get sunlight within 30 minutes. Move your body, even 10 minutes of walking. Delay caffeine until after your first light movement or breakfast. Eat a high-protein breakfast to stabilize blood sugar, eggs, Greek yogurt, protein shake. Why it works. This lowers cortisol, balances insulin, and kickstarts your metabolism early. Key for targeting belly fat. Midday, fuel plus move. Eat your biggest meal of the day between 12 to 2 p.m. Include lean protein plus complex carbs plus healthy fat plus fiber. Get 5 to 10 minutes of movement after lunch, called a glucose walk. Hydrate with water, herbal tea, or electrolytes. Why it works. Keeps insulin sensitivity high and fat storage low during your body's peak metabolic window. Afternoon, evening. Train smart. Strength train 3 to 4 times a week in the afternoon or early evening. Follow up with a post-workout meal, high in protein and moderate carbs. Night routine. Recover to burn more. Finish your last meal 3 hours before bed. No sugar, caffeine, or alcohol at night. Start your wind-down routine 45 to 60 minutes before sleep. Dim lights, journaling or meditation. 4 to 7 to 8. Breathing or hot shower. Keep your bedroom cool, dark, silent. Aim for 7.5 to 8.5 hours of high-quality sleep. Why it works. Recovery hormones like growth hormone and melatonin peak at night. Sleep literally melts belly fat if you give it the chance. Quick recap. Number 1, protein with every meal. Number 2, strength training 3 to 4 times a week. Number 3, zone 2, cardio 2 to 3x per week. Number 4, sleep like it's your job. Number 5, stress management equals cortisol control equals belly fat control. Consistency greater than intensity. This isn't about starving or sweating buckets. It's about giving your body the right signals every day. In the final section, we'll wrap it all up, and I'll give you a mindset shift that separates people who keep belly fat stuck for years from those who finally burn it for good. The belly fat breakthrough mindset. Let's face it, you've probably tried multiple diets, workout plans, and belly burn challenges before, and you might still feel stuck. Belly fat isn't just physical, it's hormonal, it's metabolic, it's lifestyle driven, and most of all, it's habit driven. The mindset shift. You don't lose belly fat by working harder. You lose it by working smarter, with strategy, recovery, and consistency. And once you understand that, you stop chasing shortcuts. You stop punishing your body. You start teaching your body to release what it doesn't need. It's not about perfection. It's about realignment. The FitFlicks belly fat philosophy. Number 1, train smart. Muscle is your metabolic ally. Number 2, eat for hormones, not just calories. Number 3, sleep like it matters, because it does. Number 4, lower your stress. Number 5, stay consistent. Daily actions, weekly intensity. If you can do this, you don't just burn fat. You rebuild your system from the inside out. If this video flipped the way you think about belly fat, drop a comment. Burn smart, not hard. Tell us, what belly fat myth did you believe before this video? And if you're serious about results backed by real science, not hype, subscribe to FitFlicks, where fitness meets neuroscience and fluff goes to die. Because your best body isn't built in the gym. It's built by understanding how your system works. Flick, train, thrive,